Can a budget phone be this good? Let's talk about the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G is turning heads with its brand new boxy design and vibrant colors. At just Rs19 999, it packs a punch with its sleek 6.6-inch AMOLED display, offering a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and dazzling brightness up to 2100 nits. But it doesn't stop at looks. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 695 processor ensures you breeze through apps and multitask like a pro. And with a massive 5,500 mAh battery paired with 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, you'll be powered up in no time and ready to go all day long. Worried about durability? The Nord CE4 Lite comes with an IP54 rating, giving you peace of mind against dust and water splashes. All this wrapped in a lightweight 191 grams package. If you're after performance, style, and value, the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G might just be the budget phone you've been waiting for. Don't miss out. Check it out now.